How to fix Facebook enter a valid password. In today's video, we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have now to search for Facebook only. Open then Facebook, and you have to scroll down and click on storage. On storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, and you have to back. Click on first stop, click OK, and now go to this option appear on top, and you have to allow it. And after this, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.